Welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. This is Taz. Today we're going to take a look at this cute little hand-tied pixie, brand new by Wig Pro in their Style Unveiled collection, shown here in 60, 92, 101. Now remember, you can find the style right here at Wig Studio One. The product link will be listed in the description box of this video. So if you click on the link, it'll take you right out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. Don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. It's a beautiful community of women helping each other through their own wig journey. And Andrea does live presentations every week. So here's Claire in the color 60, 92, 101. I am so excited to explore this color. I don't think it's new. It could be, but it is gorgeous. So it's a light, pale, kind of beigey platinum blonde color. Be a great transition from blonde to gray. Now there's no gray in this. However, because of that toned down white, it might give you the illusion of gray. It's definitely neutral to cool in tone, and it is not rooted. So before I try it on, let me show you the inside of the cap. Wow. This is really luxurious. It's completely hand-tied. So there you have your temple to temple lace front. A seam adjoins the single monofilament top, both hand-tied features here. Very nice light density. Each one of the knots is very fine. Now the monofilament lace material is tough and sturdy. So it doesn't appear to be scratchy to me or shiny. It looks very beautiful, but it just seems to be a little more hardy than some other lace fronts. And then I have a closed ear tab, a standard nape, Velcro adjusters, hand-tied panels, a little bit of integrated wefting in the back for some support. Let's put on Clair. No permatease on this one at all. The natural light density, you can't spy down into any wefting. It's just definitely one that I'm happy to have. There's a lot of styles out there that you could use this one as sort of an upgraded sister style. Choppy, short pixie cut, right around 4 inches on the front. A 1.75 inch nape. It only weighs 2 ounces. Wrap your head around that. 2 ounces. It just feels like a cloud on the head. Now, I will say that of these three, this one fit me with no adjustments necessary. I believe this one is more geared for that petite average to average size circumference. Also, the ear to ear in the front to back measurements seem to be a little more average to petite average as well. And the fact that it is heat friendly, it's going to react a little easier to the heat of my hand, any way I want to manipulate it. I don't believe I'll take any heat tools at all to this, but it does seem to want to hold my style a little easier than some of the non-heat friendly comparable synthetics. Just has a little more resilience to it, a little more body. And if you get a big wind that comes along, who cares, right? This is a hand-tied cap. You're going to look like you have scalp all the way around, so no wefts that are going to be exposed by this wonderful natural density and light color.